Dream was alive Saturday at the 2018 Woodward Dream Cruise between Ferndale and Pontiac, Michigan, and as always it was a mutual celebration by a million people or so of cars and what they represent, freedom. And freedom of expression through the art of the car. Art took on every form. An estimated 40,000 cars cruise Woodward each year. The only way to truly experience it is to be here. But wherever you are right now, here is a sampling of what you would have seen. It's your chance to join the dream. All you need is some rapid eye movement. A nice detail that pleased me as the world's biggest spontaneous parade rocked steady. A lot of the car radios were playing Aretha.